Welcome to this library bite-sized video on searching RCSI Libraries A to Z of resources. RCSI Library has collected its evidence-based resources in one alphabetical listing for you to access and consult. It is available through this link and through our library website. Just type the name of the resource you wish to access into the Search for Resources box on the right. Now let's look at the different types of resources available through the A to Z. Databases. The library provides full-text access to numerous academic databases, such as PubMed, CINAHL, and Embase. These contain research articles and reviews that can be read and downloaded. Just type the name of the database, in this example I have chosen the biomedical database PubMed, into the search box and click on the result that appears below to get full RCSI access to that database. Clinical summaries. Also accessible through the A to Z of resources are our clinical summaries. These are evidence-based summaries that allow you to search for the best available clinical guidelines and treatment options across a wide range of healthcare topics. You can type the name of a clinical summary, such as UpToDate or Dynamed, into the search box, or you can browse by clinical summaries under the middle resource type box. E-journals. You can use the A to Z of resources to access the library's wide collection of e-journals, in which peer-reviewed literature is published. Click on the link to the e-journal portal on the right of the A to Z homepage, and type in the name of the specific journal you would like to read. The RCSI Library Catalogue. Also accessible on our A to Z of resources is our library catalogue on the right-hand side of the A to Z. Click on the link and you can search for books, ebooks, and more by title or author. Thank you for watching this library bite-sized video, and please do contact us at the library if you have any questions. Also watch out for other library bite-sized videos.